This is Sir Starsley Baum. He's extraordinarily wealthy for an ogre who, let's just say, are not known for being good with money. Rumor has it, Baum hasn't squashed a day in his life and inherited his wealth from his adopted goblin father. His cane is made of a petrified Snailasian eye stalk, which are as rare as they are expensive and hard to say. I made his monocle using a small amount of brass wire that I bent around a big crochet hook. It took 3 tries to get it right, but I'm so happy with the results. Sir Starsley Baum was made for Patreon supporter Black Falcon 719, who requested a fancy ogre. Thank you so much for the opportunity, dude. I'm so happy with the results and excited for him to go to a happy home, but it is going to be hard to let him go. You can get your own custom-made Goblinoid by becoming a Patreon supporter at patreon.com/Louie'sLoops. Pasta la pizza and happy hooking. Bye!